Guys, I've got to tell you about this amazing 788S 3-in-1 glue dispensing machine. This machine can not only apply glue, dispense glue, but also draw lines,